Welcome back everyone to Adventure Awaits Overland. So today Buffy and I are heading up to what's called Chehalis Lake. Pretty well-known lake in the area. We've got some snow falling this morning. It's a pretty wintry looking morning, so I'm not sure what we'll find when we get up there. Chehalis has a pretty neat history. There was actually one of BC's second largest slides that happened up there. That slide was in 2007. Did quite a bit of damage actually. They had some people worried downstream, some of the other smaller towns and stuff when it happened. It created a lake tsunami, and the wave was, I understand, between 100 and 125 feet high, so kind of a big deal. When we get up in there today, I'm going to see if I can get the drone up. The weather's pretty bad, so I'll try show you some footage of that slide. And also there's a nice waterfall in there that we're going to see if we can hike into, depending on conditions and that sort of thing. So yeah, we're going to head out now. We're going to meet a few people and head into Chehalis Lake and show you a few of the sights along the way. And yeah, good morning, Buffy.
Good morning.
And Focus is with us in the back, but she's already sleeping, so we'll leave her alone. And let's head out on our adventure.
Too.
Cause it ain't
So we almost made it up to Chehalis Lake. Unfortunately, about 2K before the lake, that big long steep hill that was there, we got to it, and at the bottom there was probably 5 or 6 rigs all tangled up, all really nice, capable rigs too. So their advice was not even to try it, so we didn't. We turned around, so we're going to go find some new locations. Anyway, A for effort. Twice now we've been turned around by ice, but this happens. So we're just at the Buddha here, kind of a cool spot. There's a natural spring that runs through the ground through here. There's actually a water plant above there too, but yeah, people come down and get water all the time. What a neat thing. Nice and clean and fresh. You've been coming for 20 years? Yeah, amazing. So yeah, he's saying he's been coming here for 20 years for his water. What a cool thing. He's got the pro tool for it too. He's no amateur. Happy water, Buddha. So just got back from the ice wall and the waterfall up near Harrison, which was pretty cool. And yeah, we stopped at the park down below, and Buffy, in her usual Sunday fashion, is gonna go jump in the lake and do some ice plunge. Needless to say, it's really cold out today. It has been snowing, and this ought to be good. All the lakes we've gone by have been frozen with ice on them. This one seems to be free of ice, so yeah, let's go watch Buffy get cold. Well,
normally I have friends with me.
You feeling brave? You're a lone soul.
I'm alone today.
Yeah. Wonder if that should be telling us something.
I can do it on my own.
I feel like you can. I have faith in you.
Yep.
All right, well. Love you. Good luck.
Thanks.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Off you go.
Can I tell you? Can I tell you, babe?
Well, she did it. She was in for 11 minutes, super cold water, maybe some of the coldest yet. But 11 minutes counts, so not like I can get in there. Yeah, week seven, killing it. So yeah, Harrison Lake, freezing cold. Well done.
Yay.
Good job, baby.
Yay. Thanks for joining Adventure Awaits Overland. Our day didn't pan out as we had planned, but that's what happens. We still had a really great time. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate the time you're spending watching our videos and coming along with our adventures. And like, subscribe, and that's it. That's our adventure for the weekend, and we are off to happy hour.
Happy hour.
Yay.
See you next weekend.